Okay, as a quick reminder, here is a simultaneous equation where one of our equations is a quadratic and one is linear. Okay, so remember that this one is linear and this one is quadratic. Okay, and we know it's quadratic because it's got a square. It looks a bit weird on here. Basically, this x is squared and this one is just a straight line. Right, so linear and quadratic. So what were our 5 steps? The first step, okay, we need to rearrange the linear equation y equals something. Okay, so we've got y plus 2x equals 4. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take away that 2x and I have to do the same to the other side. So on the left hand side I'll only have y and on the other side I'll have 4 minus 2x. Right, so y equals something, I've rearranged. That's step 1. Step 2. I have y equals 2x squared plus 3x minus 8. And I want to substitute for my y. So I only have x's. Okay, I substitute and that is going to eliminate y. Okay, so we're going to eliminate y. Right, so y is equal to 4 minus 2x. So now instead of y, I'm going to write 4 minus 2x is equal to 2x squared plus 3x minus 8. That's step 2 taken care of. Now, if I want to solve it, the only way I can solve the equation is if I make it equal to 0. So how do I make this equal to 0? I'm going to have to add 2x, add 2x, and then I am going to take away 4 and take away 4. Okay, so when I do that, I'm going to have 0 on this side. I've still got 2x squared on the right hand side. I've got 3x plus another 2x. That's going to be 5x. I'm taking away 8. I'm taking away another 4. So I'm taking away 12 in total. Right, so now I've got my quadratic equation. Equal to 0, I can solve it. 4. Now I'm going to see if I can factorize it or solve it. Now, a, the number before x squared, is not equal to 1. Okay, now there are, remember we did this before, there are a few methods. I'll go through the method that I used with you before again. So we've got a sum and we've got a product. So the sum is easy, that's 5. The product is now, because this is not 1, we do 2 times minus 12. So the product is 2 times minus 12, which is minus 24. Right, so now I need 2 numbers that multiply to minus 24, add up to 5. Okay, now you can go through, remember, use the magic T if you want to. So we're basically looking for factors of 24. Well, I've got 1, 24, nope. 2 and 12, nope. 3 and 8. And the difference between those is 5. So that means that I'm going to have plus 8 and negative 3. Okay. So now I've got my 2 numbers. Now I've got to work out what the brackets are going to be. So what I do, I write down x plus 8 and I write down x minus 3. Then I have to divide by the number before x squared. Okay, that means this is x plus 8 divided by 2, 4. X minus 3 over 2. Okay, remember what I have to do? If I've got a fraction, I multiply. So I get 2x minus 3. So now I've got 2 brackets. If you're not sure, try and multiply them out and you see you get the right quadratic. X times 2x, 2x squared, take away 3x plus 8x minus 12. Use for or the multiplication group. Right, now the last step, all we need to work out the x's. So if 0 is equal to x plus 4 times 2x minus 3, then x has to be, change the sign, minus 4. And 2 lots of x take away 3 is 0. So that means that it has to be 3 over 2. And now the last bit, I've got my x's. I need to work out the y that goes with each x. So if x is negative 4, I know that y is equal to 4 take away 2 lots of x. So 4 take away 2 lots of negative 4. 2 lots of negative 4 is negative 8. I'm subtracting a negative, so that's going to be 12. When x is 3 over 2, 1.5, 4 minus 2 lots of that, which is 4 minus 3, y is going to be 1. So now we have our 2 points where these two are going to be solutions. Right, so now I'll quick look at the graph. If we have a quick look at the graph, we'll see this. So this is minus 4, 12. So if we go minus 4, 12, you can see that's that point there. And we've got 1.5, 1, which is that point, 1.5, 1. Remember we said it's where basically both equations are equal. That's the linear one. That's our quadratic. Okay, I hope that helps. If not, look at your textbook, look online, ask a friend, come and see me.